My child, listen to me with your whole heart, because I am speaking into the place where your pain has been living for too long. I know the pressure you feel each day. I know the heaviness you carry when no one is watching. I know how you keep pushing forward even when your strength feels thin. But hear me now. Everything in your life is not falling apart. I am holding it together in ways you cannot see. You look at your situation and think nothing is changing, but I am already moving pieces around you. My child, you are not abandoned and you are not forgotten. I am closer to you right now than the fear in your mind and the weight in your chest. You have cried silently, hoping someone would understand, but I understand. You have prayed, wondering if I still hear, but I hear every word and every thought. I am not distant. I am working. I need you to breathe in my presence. Let my peace settle over you like calm light after a long night. You think your story is stuck, but it is shifting. You think your life has slowed down, but it is aligning. You think you are losing, but you are being positioned for a rise that will surprise you. My child, I see your effort, I see your heart, I see your battles, and I am strengthening you in every one of them. This season is not the end of your hope. It is the beginning of a greater chapter that I am opening for you. Even now, I am restoring your confidence. I am rebuilding your strength. I am guiding your steps, even in the moments that feel confusing. Everything will be fine, not because life is easy, but because I am with you in every breath you take. I have walked ahead of you. I have prepared what you will need. I have surrounded you with protection you do not even notice. My child, keep walking, keep trusting, keep holding on to me. I am shaping your breakthrough and your peace and your future. Everything will be fine because I am holding you and I am not letting go.